So, hey guys, what's up today? Today we're going to be talking about two really big problems in Roblox. So you see this game right here? So I'm going to join this game and we're going to have some things to talk about it. So you see it says Adopt Me Special Pet Shop. And by the way, this is not by real Adopt Me. So by this dude, you should look out for. Because we're just going to join the game real quick, and I'll tell you why. So if this person comes up with your password information, of course I'm not going to put my real password in, but if I did, it would be like really bad. So we're going to click Shadow Dragon. Finding cake, and the thing is, with this thing, it could be fake, and that would be really bad if it was. So now, we're gonna look up free Roblox, and I'm gonna show you what the problem is with this game. Play for free. So we're gonna do this. I think this one's gonna be legit. So we're just gonna join this game and hope. Oh yeah, this is totally a fake. Guys, not real one. Don't go to this one. I can even click on this dude's profile. He'll probably be banned. Oh, nope, he has not been banned. Wait, this dude has not been banned because he didn't actually do a free Roblox thing. So let's do this one. Let's see this one. It's on. So if this one is, we'll be very lucky. Okay. So it doesn't look like this is one, so we're just gonna leave the game. We're gonna hop into Adopt Me. Okay. Okay. We're gonna see if we have a Mega Neon Shadow Dragon in there. Okay. Let's hope we do. But I don't think we do, because this is how much Robux I have now. No sneak peeks of what I'm doing in here. Sorry, there's no sneak peeks, but all I'm going to give you is one clue. Halloween event. I am working on this place with my friend. We're not going to give you any clues of what it is. Only that starts with a W and ends in H. And it's one word. So, oh yeah, we were going to check out inventory. Yeah, nothing. Fake. Don't trust these games. It wasted your Robux. Also, don't trust free Roblox games that ask for your password. It is very dangerous. So, that's going to be it for all today. Goodbye. Bye, all.